Hey, what's going on, everybody? EXO coming at you here in the back of the big old bass van. I just wanted to come at you again right after yesterday's video to say thank you so much for lightening my spirits, lightening my heart a little bit, sharing your personal, heartfelt stories, experiences. It all really hit home. It makes you realize you're not so alone, even though you can get really easy to think that when you're all alone a lot of the time. I'm kind of doing all this as the lone wolf up on the hill. We love bass, we love batteries, we love everything to do with car audio, but sometimes life gets you down, and it really is nice to have a reminder of real quality people like you on the channel to help bring me back up. It's a two-way street for sure. So in this video, I'm just kind of hanging out, going through some odds and ends for the main channel, getting back on the horse over there, and I figured I would do a quick little rundown on the second channel of what exactly is going on, because I got a cool little note here from the owner of Puns Customs. Basically what I need to do with the bass van, this will solve. Remember how when I'm giving bass demos, the RPMs need to be held with my freaking foot so the alternator spins fast enough to charge up all the, all the mayhem? Well, it's not enough, not nearly enough, and it's really sidetracking. It's really hard to keep all your attention devoted to keeping, pressure on your foot. So what this cool little device is gonna do is solve that problem. I'm gonna install it just behind the electronic accelerator, and it's gonna basically send, I don't know if it's like a PWM signal, but like a digital signal to emulate a perfect foot. So even though it kind of wants to fluctuate because it's going to basically go to normal after you hold it there for so long because it's electronic, it'll ease off and then you got to friggin' push it even further. So it'll eliminate that sort of, computer issue that I've been going with, because sometimes you'll be going down to like 6,000 RPMs because of that compensation that electronic throttle controls do for you. So we're going to do this. He says, sorry the manufacturing package sucks, but the product is cool. If you like it, do a quick review or tag, it would be appreciated. Thanks. Well, thank you, Puns Customs. I picked this up directly from him on Facebook, and lo and behold, it's not the only thing that's going to be going down as far as the electrical system is concerned. I'm very pleased to announce, finally, oh my word, Bassheads, we can't get enough electrical, so I've been dealing with a single alternator for ever since the debut of this thing. That's a DC power 320 or 370, I can't remember exactly, but we are going to be able to finally do a multiple bracket. It's a dual bracket for now from Dan Blue Ghost, but hopefully we'll be able to kind of see what it looks like when it's installed and maybe build off of it. Obviously, I'm going to be putting myself on the line with, testing brand new stuff, but he's already done the duals all day long, gotten feedback from his customers. It's working great. So who knows what even doing, maybe even more going into this area of the engine bay, relocating that old sucker to somewhere over here. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to have to happen. But either way, this year is the year of better voltage. I am so looking forward to that. And this little device, man, who would have thought? I've heard of people using like a sort of makeshift PWM signals to simulate a foot there. I know racing guys I know idle is really important for a lot of different fields, especially bass. So I'm really looking forward to that. That should be something pretty cool. Oh, and another cool thing coming down the pipeline, I've already spoken to the guys over at Chiare. Well, good old Jeff. We've been working since Parts Express way back with the home audio towers. I've been wanting to get my hands on something up here that's new. Obviously, these are discontinued, really hard to come by, but these guys right here, fresh off the platter, they are just the bee's knees nowadays. Everybody is swearing by these CT440s, and I'm glad I was able to get in there right when the hype first started going, because now they're going like hotcakes. I have a particular model in mind for right here. I'm not going to tell you just yet, because I'm not sure if it's going to be able to get to, stateside over here in the United States, but if they do, I will have something very capable, very amazing, plugging up the rest of this door panel. The only other thing kind of temporary with the front stage are the amplifiers powering the front speakers. I kind of shot myself in the foot like we mentioned with the ohm load. Man, these things are 1 ohm stable, but the new incriminators that I got to match this 4-channel are only 2 ohm stable. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. These are much more powerful with the current configuration that I have, but if we end up changing speakers, all that's not too bad, not too much of a catch-22. The incriminators are really nice amplifiers. These are the IX 12.4s. It'll look really nice back there, but obviously I just need to bring that impedance up a little bit. I've also been getting lots of messages about how I set up my DSP setups in chain with one another. So if you're interested in how I did that using a digital signal from our source material and then all analog basically after that, I have it all channeled right here. You know, I can do a whole lot of cool stuff, but it will be a lot more in-depth than what I can do just talking about it right now. So if you're interested, let me know. Everything's all labeled, and I can go through a little video here on the second channel kind of explaining how it all routes through and the functions behind everything, you know? Overall, though, I have been extremely happy with the performance right out of the gate. It's kind of been on hiatus ever since really jamming it from the first impressions. Like I said, I'm kind of lonely all here by myself. Sometimes it's hard to, you know, justify bringing this 30 minutes down the road to do some jam sessions. But obviously the content's going to be pumping out more on the second channel, especially since you guys really raised my spirits yesterday. I mean, heck, I love doing all this stuff so much. It really stunk having something cloud my mind on the back burner, you know. But now that I'm feeling a heck of a lot better thanks to you guys, I'm just, you know, feeling really motivated and really grateful. Oh my gosh, what a view that is. This never goes taken for granted. Every time I come out here, I dang near get the willies, the cheers, the chills. You know what I'm saying? It took a lot of work, a lot of patience and determination in this whole project, and it looks like friggin' millionaire status. Holy smokes, you never would have known someone like me built it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little video just saying thank you again to all the people who are surprisingly still here. It's been years since we posted on this channel, and hello everybody. I'm so glad that YouTube didn't, like, you know, tank or whatever, even though it's not like my main channel. I think we've been averaging like 100,000 views over there, so it really feels nice to have a handful. Like, I think last time I looked at yesterday's video, it was like 4,000. It feels really homey. It feels kind of like a smaller, tight-knit community, and it gives me more confidence, because sometimes the intimidation factor of posting on a larger audience makes you not say certain things because you're afraid. So yeah, I just wanted to get this video out there. Thank you guys so much. Just a quick little update. Take a look at what we've got going. Oh man, much more stuff to come. 2025 is going to be... What's going on there? I just saw a flicker. The heck was that? Is my oh, I think my charger, when my charger kicks on, it sometimes can flicker. So all right guys, I've kept you here long enough. This is EXO signing out. Very grateful for all of you. I will talk to you in the next one. Stay loud and stay proud.